A hard reset or factory reset wipes all data from your Xumo box, restoring it to its original state. This is different from a soft reset, which just restarts the device without wiping data. Perform a hard reset if your Xumo box is freezing, experiencing connectivity issues, or glitching after a software update. Before you start, ensure your box is plugged in, your remote is paired, and you have internet access. Also, back up any personal data if possible, as the reset will erase everything. First, power on your Xumo box and TV. Then use the remote to navigate to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset or Reset to Factory Defaults and confirm if prompted, often with the code 00. Alternatively, press and hold the Home button on your remote for 10 seconds to access reset options quickly. If your box is unresponsive, try Recovery Mode by holding the Reset button on the device or using a remote combo like Home plus Back Play simultaneously for 5 seconds. After the reset, the box will restart, requiring you to sign in, repair the remote, and reinstall apps. Avoid interrupting the reset process to prevent damage.